God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Faith begins with the Word of God.
King Nebuchadnezzar commanded everyone to bow to his golden image.
Bow!
We will not worship any other god.
Even under threat, they stayed faithful to God.
Seize them!
They were cast into the burning fiery furnace.
God sent his angel to protect them in the fire.
True faith stands firm in the fire, because God never leaves those who remain faithful to him.